Hey, ladies and gentlemen, folks and folkaroons, boys and girls of all ages. This is Dr. Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University of Las Vegas, Nevada. So good to be with you here on another edition of Pip and Run, the European session. And I'm going to be doing some live trading and going through my setups for this session. And so I look forward to sharing with you what I'm looking at in the market. Okay. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you so we can go ahead and get to start to see if we can take some cash out of the market just to set things up and to take a quick gander or a rehash of what we did yesterday. We did about 20% yesterday in our account, but then we later on, after the cameras were off, we actually went ahead and we just kind of went ham on this. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Got it, we're live streaming. Yes, I understand that. I'm going to share screen and we're going to share. And we're going to portion of the screen. We'll share some sound. I'll just share. And no, there we go. Right. Okay. There we go. And we're going to share this screen. All right. I'm not sure my account number or anything. Okay. So okay. I'll move this out of the way too. Okay. Okay. So if you notice, it's so interesting too, because if you can see, I have no losses. I have not a single loss on this trade on this account, not a single, right? And so basically, we made $51,012.26, and we go ahead and we can look at a detailed report, and I'll call it 15. Okay. Okay, and then it's going to open up a new page. I have to bring the page over here so you can see it. So 10 there. So there's no losses. There's no minuses at all. If you scroll through. So we wound up we did 20% during the live stream yesterday, but then we made another 80% like later on. The market just kept giving me trades and the setups kept going on. Like, see, I went 1043, got 1047, got at 1043, got out at 1047, got at 10, just 1021, got out at 1043, just over and over and over again. This one after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other. And so it says here that I had losses. My drawdown is 0.04%. So that would pass any prop trading challenge. And we basically did a little over 100% return. Profit trades percent total 96.30. Long positions 96.30. They're all longs, right? And so that's a 96.3% win rate. And got a plane going over. So that's what we did yesterday. So you can clearly see that we use a really precise entry method for getting into the market. And that allows us to go in heavy without, because many of you, I talked to like one gentleman, talked to Quincy. Hey, Quincy, how you doing, buddy? And he says that he likes trading large, but he gets stopped out before it goes into his favor. I kind of told him, was like, it's because your entries if your entry, you should be able to put your entry in and go into positive territory from entry. From the minute, maybe a minute or two, you may get a little bit of flashback, a little bit of negativity, but then it should move in your favor. I got into a trade right now. It just went a little negative, but it shouldn't be negative very long, because I'm basically looking for a change in the guard, in the positions of the market, right? So in fact, let's go ahead and continue to take a look. Let's pull that up again. This is a 100% We went from 50,000 to 101,000. Okay. So let's see if are we gonna do something like that again, or are we gonna be in trouble? Let's take a look, right? And we are in trouble, right? Let's take a look at our entry system. And I don't know why this moves over when we don't want it to move over. And yeah, we had our entry, we had a nice entry right there, and we blew right through this support area, and we're down. And actually, we might be taking our first loss, you know, and I'm really looking at this higher time frame chart, and we can see that we really spiked into this area. We do have an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. So let's see the damage here. Okay, so we had a trend line break, we rallied, but we got tweezer tops while I was setting up everything, and then we blew through the central pivot down to the 200 simple moving average. And let's see if we get some type of a pullback, but we might need to abandon ship here. And I think we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to, look at abandoning this position. I don't know where our other indicators are. Okay. We're tremendously oversold, but we broke through some serious support. Okay, and let's see if we get a rally from this area. And you can see buyers are stepping in as we have some long wicks. And really what I would do is I would find the last swing that we had was here, which is 100%. Probably have to go back a little bit and just take a fib just to see like what fib are we at, and do we have a chance of rebounding from like a 38% retracement, and that's sitting right at the 38. Sitting right at the 38 at the 200 simple moving average right here, and the 38. And we have lots of bottoming action, green candle, a breakout. Wow, I'm hearing these weird, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, there we go. News. We got out. Not bad, huh? Look at that, breakout. Breakout. Dun, 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 dun. Fooled you guys, huh? Did you like that one? Let me know in the chat box. Greg, how'd you do that, man? I'm magical, guys. I've been doing this for like 28 years. Right? I've been doing this for a really long time. And my goal is to empower traders with my system so we can forecast the market, right? I said we got the 38% retracement, 200, buyers stepped in, color change from green to red, boom, from red to green, click. This higher time frame chart's telling us higher highs and higher lows, right? So I'm not gonna chase it at this point. You know, I got out and we are able to do what we did today. Current custom period. Today is the 13th, right? Right. So we made $8,400 in just a matter of a couple of minutes. Right. On a break. Right. And I'm trying to find, where is our YouTube? There we go. Anybody there? Anybody? Who could it be now? Who could it be now? Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay. Those crickets. Anybody out there in the YouTube world? What's going on here? Okay. And I'll say, hello out there. Yeah, suppose we had some news. And I'm gonna check my market heat map. My number one secret weapon for trading the markets. And he said, well, Greg, I don't have 50%. I don't have money for even the 49.79 is too much money, Greg. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Oh, look, green pound dollar up 0.33%. And then the euro is in the number 2 spot. Aussie's kind of flat. Swiss is trending down. And so this is very helpful as a trade scanner. Not only that, it has a lot of like different types of tools. In fact, we can log in there and very tools, we can go to, I want to go to the sentiment index and show you how that works. Because losers pay winners, since 90% of all traders lose, whatever their opinion they're voting for is what we don't want to trade, or we want to trade the opposite direction of these people, right? So for instance, the pound, we have 66.27% of people are bearish the British pound, okay? Losers pay winners. So this is like if everyone bets on one team and these guys are the losing part of the bet, well, then these guys are going to get paid. That's why I got long pound dollar, because the sentiment is bullish for the pound, right? And so there's a lot of people who are short and they're getting and they're paying, right? So that's the sentiment. It's one of the many different tools in my market heat map. And so because unlike like a beauty contest or even an election, I won't go into elections, but every vote, if everyone votes for one candidate, they're supposed to win, right? Not so in the Forex market. If everyone thinks that the pound is going to drop, it usually goes in the opposite direction, because 90% of traders lose. So if 90% are wrong, whatever they say, whatever they feel is right, you just do the opposite, right? Like, so a lot of people you say, oh, wow, it's going up, I'm going to short it, right? So whatever they try to short, then you try to hit it again, right? I can see a little bit more red than this. But we can check around and see if there's anything else. Let's look at that euro. Let's see what the euro did. Oh, the euro looks tasty. Yummy tasty. Look at that. Red, 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 red. Boom. Break. Nice. We're late to that party. How about Aussie dollar? Where is my okay? Aussie missed that one. Already took off. They all kind of took off at the same time. Aussie CAD. I don't know about Aussie CAD. We want to look at the higher time frame. Yeah. Well, it's in an uptrend. And we missed the entry. Okay. No worries. Everything kind of rallied at the same time. It's after 2 a.m. Oh, look at this. Aussie Swiss. Messy chart. Yeah. Okay. Aussie yen. I trade Aussie yen during our mentorship class. Right? Okay. And relate to that too. So somebody was looking at CAD Swiss. One of my students was talking about CAD Swiss. Oh, snap. Crackle pop. Look at that. Just a straight roller coaster down. Right? A little late to do anything here. I mean, we do have this uptrend. This is pretty interesting. But cats was 30, cats was 1 minute. Also, all this slide is this. All this slide is this. It might be interesting. It might be slow. Sometimes you see something, oh, it's a great setup, and it's probably gonna say, yeah, it's a turtle. It's gonna take a long time for it to, I mean, it's like it's not even a 1 minute chart's not doing anything. You know, still is it an uptrend? Kind of, sort of. I mean, you can draw one. And then this chart's so messy. This profit targets down here and opening range breakouts and yeah, I don't like it. Let's look at my friend. Let's go right to dollar yen. That's usually something that's, look at that. That thing sees, it's ugly. Ugly charts need love too, but not for me, not for me, not for me. Dollar yen. Ooh, lots of action there. Ooh, okay. This white box. Okay. I'm just gonna make another one without all this. I mean, the box range is kind of cool, but it's just problematic now. ECN, USD JPY, template, low template. No. I just want my 20, 20. This Heikin-Ashi, man. Oh, okay. Oh, I know. I need to go to my other. Where is Mr. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna go to Hugo's Way, my other chart. I'm gonna go here. So we're going to go to my templates and then load template and then find my 2023 template. 2023. No, blah, blah, blah. I just want Heikin-Ashi. Okay. Copy. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to close this up. Bye. Oh no. Oh. Okay, I'm going to go in here and paste it. Oh, I can't paste. File, open data folder. I mean, I could build it I can build it. Yes, I can. Bob the Builder. Yes, I can. So what's up with this one? Template, save template. Let's call it Heikin-Ashi. Let's do that. I got template, load. Okay, I'm missing my entry. Waiting, trying to get this thing. Sorry about this. Okay. There we go. Ooh, it's really scrambly. We try loading it again. Yeah. Well, okay. So I got long dollar yen at 139.52 based on a pullback against the we have a very strong uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Wow. Commission, $150 in commission. This thing has to really move for me to make some money, right? This is another one. We can go back to the sentiment and we can look at the dollar yen. The yen, a lot of people are bullish the yen. 72.77% of people are long yen. And that's why I'm making money right now, because losers pay winners, right? That's how it works, guys. There's no fear, man. Well, then you need to learn how to trade like a professional trader so you won't get skanked, right? Let's see. We want to look right and look for air. We can go look back at the old high, maybe, or a target. That would take us back to the old 139.71. And we can place our stop a few pips below the swing low. What's all this scattered stuff here? Right. And I'll go for a couple more minutes just to see if anyone's out there. Hopefully you guys are learning something about how I enter the market. And please come over to check out my website, www.elitetradersuniversity.com. And there you can get a free income boost ebook. There's also a free masterclass as well. No risk, no obligation, absolutely free. Take your trading to new heights, all the right tools and training to start trading professionally in 90 days. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side there. Meanwhile, we're going ahead and keep clocking there. Oh, someone says hello. I see a person. Doji Dude, Euro Yen, Renko charts. Hey, man. Yeah, man. What's going on? Yeah, all right. Hey, man. Thank you for showing up. I'm so scared. I just take my money and run, pip and run. Yeah, I'll just take it. So for today, $9,000, not bad, right? But it looks like a euro yen. I'm gonna pull that up. Come on. Euro yen's like euro dollar with a little wasabi on it. Got that little Japanese yen kick, and I'm just drag that over. Ooh, look at that! Stack, 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 baby. Get paid, ring the bell, boom, boom, boom. All right, okay, so we got reload. This thing is already, nice. Well, oh, this is a 1 minute chart. Where is my 1 hour, 30 minute? How are we doing 30 minute? We're over. I mean, we're kind of oversold. They can remain oversold for a longer period of time. Let's go down to a 1 minute chart down here. And I mean, this was our entry and we missed that. Did you catch it? You looking for 200 pips? Nice. Yeah. I mean, look at this nice double, all this. Let me get rid of this here. Where are these lines? Where did you come from? Tell me. Okay. Object list, arrow, line. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, that's the beautiful entry right there. And I don't see anywhere to enter without I need to see some red for me to get into this. This is a 1 minute. And I don't know what I got. Yeah. See, what we'll do is we'll put a fib on here from the low. Fibonacci low, look for a 38% retracement for like a pullback. And that would take us down to the roughly the 150 5 area. Look to get a little bit of a discount. Get us some discount. What's going on here? It's false. Have you ever done that? You buy, oh man, it's up, and you buy it and then it drops, and then it drops just enough to stop you out, it turns and go back up, right? The way I solve this issue is I'm looking for red. Yeah. Yeah, you get that. You get down to 50, you get down to the 50, yeah, round number 50 at the banker's numbers. Don't you do? You're right. Look for that. A little bit of a pullback, a little bit of profit taking, because these guys got long, so they got to take some profit too. So they got look. They made like 44. Congratulations, you guys! You made like 20 something pips. So when you guys start cashing out, when they start cashing it out, it'll start pulling back, and then your oscillators will drop down. Your Fibonacci's come into play, and when they finish their profit taking, boom! That's when you can smack in there heavy and ride this thing the rest of the way up, because we do have a solid uptrend on the 30-minute chart. If you even went higher, like my dollar yen, my dollar yen was probably went to the moon without me. 56. Let me move it up so I don't know why these things should like alphatize. Maybe they were alphatized. I don't even see it anymore. I just dropped it somewhere. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey, come on, drop. A or 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. 3-wave correction against the trend. It has been a long time, man. Pip and run. Why buy and hold? Like, why buy and hold? You can pip and run. Back in the day. What was that? 2010? It's like 13 years ago. Yeah, I decided to blow the dust off and show these young cats how we do it. This is how we do it. This is some of these cats. They were born like I was like, I've been doing this, hacking at this since the 90s. So you figure, they got a whole new generation of kids that never even, they're completely new. They don't read the books. Everything's on, Chat GPT or, so they don't read books. They don't know who Alexander Elder or George Lane or Gerard Appel or Wells Wilder. None of those guys. I'm a little old guy. Yeah, you remember. Yeah, I gave up teaching. I teach adults how to trade the Forex. So, Elite Traders University. Now, some, yeah. Teaching, I worked. Yeah, I worked for, I went to a Wall Street broker, worked for Forex Capital Markets as a currency analyst strategist for a number of years. Okay, so now we're coming down. So we're at 23% retracement. I don't trust it. I think we go down some more. Definitely, I'm in Vegas, baby. If you're in Vegas, come on down. I just got FXCM. Not in the US anymore. They're no longer in the US, and Daily FX is no longer in the US either. So, last man standing. Kathy's over at BK, and she's doing stuff with Surge Trader. I got my guys going through Surge Trader, sending the prop guys. Got about a dozen guys got funded for their funded accounts. So it's just I'm a pretty proud papa. Every new student that graduates through the Elite Traders University going through a 3-step process. First step we do is simulation, being able to go through and average 90% win rate for 14 days on average. And then we go to, after they complete that step, we take them to demo. So they go into the live market. And when they can double and triple a live account, then we move them on to the next stage. We put them in the stage 3 when they take a small live account, like 50 or $100, and they can move that to like $5,000 and $10,000. And then we actually pay for them to have for their challenge, $100,000 challenge with Surge Trader. And they have usually have done so well in the in our program that getting a Surge Trader account or multiple accounts is pretty straightforward. This is one of my students who took an account. Whoops, stop. Okay. Yeah, this is verified back tested results from my FX book. So it's no monkey business there, but he wanted to double it on my birthday. My birthday is October 12th. Jamie cut the rope, did it. He also runs my trading room, that's part of the mentorship, and he did 472.73%. And he had like a 0.1% drawdown, and then he took it up to 594%. But yeah, a slightly larger drawdown, 16.54% drawdown. So that was pretty cool indeed. Having our students being able to do their thing on my FX book. Okay, we didn't get much of a pullback. I guess that 20% retracement was, man, no, not much pullback there. Okay, maybe this will drop. I can put an alarm. I can put an alarm on that, right? Let me do that first. Let me set an alert. And I'll set an alert here. Trading alert. There we go. Have you ever set alerts? Oh, you remember the Renko stuff? Let me see my old Renko. Yeah, I think my articles are still on the web still after all these years. That Greg McLeod and Renko. Back in the day, still up 2014, 9 years ago, right? There's Renko Stochastic for winning Forex. Yeah, so those are my strategies on Renko, trading Renko. I'm still there. Yeah, 2013. Oh, I can't get here anymore. I'm not a US resident. Oh. Well, was Las Vegas part of the US? Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, look at that. Boy, those are some charts back in the day, bro. Yeah. Good memories. Good memories. I'm glad I helped you. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, I never could find good Rinko. Oh, look at that. Really? 50 on a curve. I really want this thing to drop. And it's like dropping really sloppily. 62 by 63. Stochastics under the 50. I just want another. I want a clean touch of the 38. Say we came down to the 38. And we got a trend line break. Man, this sloppy. Ugh. I like smooth stuff. I like easy. Easy. I like that. That's like, now that's looking tasty. Let me take that. Let's get her stop. About 4 or 5 pips below the low. And actually, I'm going to take this up. We can get back up in here. See, look from entry. You notice that from entry, I'm in the profit. Look at that. There we go. Yeah. So this is a lot cleaner for me. Trend line break. Vertical line, color change, crossover. Come on. It's like this, something is indicators. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you use CCI. I remember a guy named Woody called Woody CCI. And he had all these like different patterns, like the Shamu and the ghost. And you remember Walker England? Walker England and I are still friends. We used to go out, and have a cigar, and talk about the old days. And he used to do he was really big on CCI. He used to do the CCI workshop. Okay. Come on. So Doji, have you done any challenges? Any prop trading challenges? Just try to work this portion. Walker of a Porsche. He's got like 3 kids now, or 2 kids. I don't think he has room for. Who do you trade with? Oh, you go by a different name? Yeah, Walker is cool. And Richard Crevo. Oh, your son drives the Porsche. Okay. They're nice cars. Oh, Jack Bond. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Come on. Pay me. Pay me. Pay. Yeah, John Kicklighter. I got a picture of me at the let's see if I yeah, so is that do you remember David Song? Jamie Setley back there. This is this is the Daily Effects newsroom. And back there's where they would do all the webinars in the back, where that door is. Back in the day. I'm at that long time ago. I'm not sure where they all went. Some of them went to Forex.com, some of them started their own companies. Finding a lot of resistance here in this 3957 area. It's got like a box. I know some of them went to other brokers. Some of them got out of the business altogether. Tom Long, he was my man, my supervisor. That goes way back. Matt Russell. Matt Russell, he trades options in Hawaii, but he does a lot of surfing. Sean Hyman. I think he has his own financial newsletter. You can see how we've got some higher lows that we're not necessarily making higher highs, but we've got this narrowing triangle. And usually get some type of a breakout as we get toward the apex of the triangle. And usually we can take a measurement objective. We can measure the top to the bottom. And then we can take that measurement and project it from the breakout point. And that will give us an approximate price target. Oh, the maroon indicator, or Arun, maroon. As if you get stranded, get stuck using it, right? That's pretty good though. The maroon, like Maroon 5, wasn't that like a maroon? Yeah. Oh, we're coming inside the triangle that it could equally break out the other direction too, which is something we wouldn't want to see. $103, 139.44. Ooh. Testing this rising support. Breakout. Is it for real or is it fake? Trend is up. Sometimes they have like a fake break, south side break, to lure people to one side of the market. And we are like Frankfurt, the Frankfurt Open. We're still in the German market. The UK market won't open for another 20 minutes. And then we might see some pretty increased volatility here. 39.53. Boom. Fake break. Like we call a long wick candle, a Pinocchio bar. Like, you never trust a wooden puppet. Yeah, sell. Ooh. Told you, no, don't take trading advice from a guy whose head's made out of wood. This is Cathie Wood and the ARK Growth Fund. (2:41 a.m.) My name is Dr. Gregory McLeod of the Elite Traders University. And we have lots of, we use the My Market Heat Map as a tool I developed many years ago to see what's hopping, what's popping, and what's dropping in the market. And also developed the pip and run Forex scalping system, where we say why buy and hold, you can pip and run. And this is the Forex powered trader system that we're using right now. And we've basically doubled an account in one night using it. And our students are having tremendous results using this system. Like, oh yeah, so my I guess the YouTube is a little the YouTube live is delayed. It's really delayed. So I know people are trying to follow my trades by going, yeah, I'm I'm probably uh minutes behind you. Okay, there we go. So see, we had a there we go. See, I guess it was going up. Sorry about that, guys. Right. Okay, so now we've got the confirm break, or this is why I take my money and get out of here. So I'm fading fast. I'm getting kind of tired, and I tell you what, it's been really good chatting with you, Doji dude. Thank you for staying up with me. 9,667, not a bad take for a few minutes of work. We made a spectacular amount of money in a short period of time. And if you're interested in learning more about what we do, come over to the Elite Traders University and get some free resources, pick up some free stuff. It's like Costco, right? Grab a meatball, grab a chicken wing, grab a free income boost blueprint ebook, take a free masterclass, and we'll talk to you later. All right. Peace and pips. This is Dr. Greg McLeod signing out. Why buy a Lincoln Pip and Run? And we'll see you soon. Peace. I'm tired.